The Hawkware Card Plus application allows users to access multiple Enterprise PDM utilities directly off the Enterprise PDM data card. The data card is a very important piece of Enterprise PDM in that it contains a lot of information specifically about the files in question. If you were to access the Card Plus application, you would see there are 4 utilities for you to make use of. The first would be to print or export the data card. Unfortunately, as important as the data card is, SOLIDWORKS Enterprise PDM has no way to print this information directly to a printer. Card Plus solves that by allowing you to use one of 2 built-in templates or creating your own templates to format that information in a way that can be sent directly to a printer. You can also save that information to an XML or an HTML file. The second utility on Card Plus is to send messages to other users. Enterprise PDM can currently send messages to other users. However, it will only be able to send information about one file at a time, unless you're using a workflow transition. Card Plus will allow you to select multiple different files to add to a single message that you can send to any of the users inside the system. This will present them with one email that will allow them to have links to any of those specified files you chose to send them. In this case, it really allows us to streamline the collaboration between multiple users inside an Enterprise PDM vault. The third application in Card Plus is to view variable history. As you know, when we're going through our design process, we're oftentimes changing geometry as well as properties that go along with the files. This Card Plus utility will allow you to view the history of your variables over each of the different versions or revisions so that you can compare how those properties have changed over time in a very quick and efficient manner. The last utility available in Card Plus is to view filtered history. As we all know, the history in Enterprise PDM can often be very long with many actions being reported, and oftentimes you're only concerned about specific operations, such as the file rename operations or the check-in operations. You may also be concerned with operations only by a specific user, and the Card Plus Filter History application will allow you to select all of these things discreetly. If you have any questions on Card Plus or any of our other Hawkware applications, please contact Hawk Ridge Systems at any time.